My name is Anne Marie.
Hello, Anne Marie. Good morning.
Good morning.
So I have a question for you. Why did you do this program?
I was tired of feeling when I sat the middle around my middle, and I just didn't like it anymore. I've had enough of it, and it was time to do something about it.
Great. Tell me, what's happened since you started the program?
Well, since I started the program, I have lost weight. Don't know the number, and to me, it's not a big factor. It's more about how I feel. I do look better in my clothing. That was a bonus. People have noticed, but I feel so much better. My middle is tighter. There's no more, roll of belly there. And I listen to a lot of my friends, and they keep saying, as much as I lose weight, I still have this roll. I don't. So that has somehow shrunk.
That's great. Have your cravings been less, Anne Marie?
My cravings are pretty much gone. I was a fat craver, fat and salt, and now the breads and pastas and that kind of stuff really doesn't bother me anymore.
Have you noticed in your conversation with other people that they have problems with cravings?
Absolutely. Yeah, I have a lot of friends, some who are going to the gym and losing weight that way and just watching what they eat in moderation, they're telling me. Another girlfriend who's doing Weight Watcher, but they're all complaining about cravings. And when they're asking me what am I doing, I hesitate to tell them because I don't want to give away the secrets, but I'm just telling them the cranberry and water and a little bit of lemon juice and vinegar. So yeah, I shared a little bit, but that's how my cravings have gone away.
So you felt a big difference with that.
Absolutely, yeah,
That's
big
great.
difference.
Have your energy levels been higher since you
My
started the program?
energy is great, yeah.
How are you sleeping better?
I sleep good at night. No more waking up every, I don't know, half an hour or an hour. I sleep. Sometimes I still do wake up, but I'm not awake for hours anymore. I may just wake up and see what time it is, and that's it, go right back to sleep.
Well, besides losing weight, sounds like you're a lot healthier.
I feel really, really good.
That's
Feel
really
really,
great.
really good.
Would you have other people do this program if they could?
I sure would. I sure would.
That's super. Anne Marie, thank you very much.
You're welcome.